Hi, my name is Amanda Melgado, and I am the Virtual Content Specialist working with the Division of Multilingual Learners with regards to the enhanced lessons found on TeachHub using the Arriba La Lectura curriculum. In this video, I will give you an overview of this grade 4, week 1, day 1, lesson 1, and I will show you how you can access all of the features using Arriba La Lectura. This will be video 1 in a series of 3 videos. So as you can see, I have opened up this lesson directly from TeachHub, and it is in view mode only. So the lessons that are in TeachHub, again, are in view mode only. You need to make a copy, select file, make a copy so that this way you can edit it. So I'm going to close out this version, and I'm going to go directly to my version of the lesson. I made a copy, and you can rename them. So when you access these lessons, the first slide is always going to give you a unit overview. It's going to give you the grade, the title, the essential question, and additional material. These are the teacher-facing slides that should be removed when you are preparing to present them to your students. Now, all of these slides that are in the dark gray are notes and instructions for teachers to help support you with this lesson. You'll find here that it'll tell you exactly what pages you can get certain resources on. It will give you the standard of the lesson. It will also give you the sequencing of the lessons. So it's very important that we are following the sequence of these lessons. Of course, teachers can decide to break the lesson apart if they so choose, because you know your students best. But it is very important that we follow and remain with the sequencing. And additional resources. And now you notice that the slides have changed color, and now these are the student-facing slides. Now on the bottom here, you're going to see that there are notes for the teacher. In the bottom, you will also find links. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access all of the links that are found in these lessons. So for example, we have the vocabulary protocol, and you will find the teacher-facing notes right here, exactly how you should execute this lesson. So now let's click on the tarjetas de vocabulario. And you'll see that there's a picture here. The vocabulary word is identidad. And then you're going to see the protocol right here. Now, if you encounter a problem when you click on one of the links, it will say access denied. If that happens to you, what you need to do is go back to TeachHub, the home page, and then you have to select Arriba La Lectura. Once you select that, all of the links will open and you will have access. So it's very important that you do so. So now I have this open, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select Discover. And from the drop-down menu, I'm going to go to 4th grade. So now here in Arriba La Lectura, you see that you have all of the modules here, and you'll have all of the resources. So I'm going to select module 1 here. And now let's go back to the slideshow presentation. So we went over the vocabulary, and in my follow-up video, I will demonstrate how you can use the vocabulary protocol when teaching. Introducción modular, and now we have práctica guiada. Again, you will see that there is a link here, and this link will take you directly to the video. So let's try this link out so you can see exactly how it will open up. Okay, in this video, the students should watch this video before reading the text. So now we can continue scrolling through the slideshow. Here we have the mapa de conocimientos. Again, if you want to print out mapa de conocimiento, again, you would just select on the link and then you can print it out. And here is the text that the students are going to be reading. So now this is the práctica guiada part of the lesson. And as you have noticed, the slides start changing color and it gives very clear directions, right? Introducción, modelar. And then here, trabajo independiente. And now we have la práctica guiada. So this part is where the teacher will be working with the students. So they do follow a format of I do where the teacher models, we do together, and then the students will have their independent part. So now what I really want to show you is this nice feature that Arriba La Lectura has. So we're going to select this link down here. And this is going to take you directly to the text in the Arriba La Lectura. What I like about this is that it gives you several scaffolds that are embedded in the website. So you have the option of playing the audio. You also have the glossary. And if the students select here, the little speaker, they'll hear the vocabulary words being read aloud. Another nice feature is if you select more, you can share this with your Google Classroom. So I'm going to select my Google Classroom. You choose your class. And then you choose how you want to post the assignment. Is it going to be assignment, or do you want to make an announcement or create a material? So this is up to you how you want to post it in the Google Classroom. But in order for the students to have access, they do need to use their NYC login. So again, this is a really nice feature to assign to the students if you want to teach this lesson in a flipped model where the students will have access to the text and they could preview it, listen to it prior to teaching the lesson. You have that option as well. So now let's go back to the slide, and I just showed you the text that the students are going to read, and then they have a think, pair, share activity after reading the text. And then they will continue with the guided practice. And again, we have more think, pair, share questions. Trabajo independiente, where the students are going to respond independently. And again, here, práctica guiada. And again, all of these resources can be easily accessed on Arriba La Lectura. Verificar la comprensión y resumen del cuento. So I will model in my second video how you can teach the vocabulary protocol. And then in video 3, I will show you how you can use Nearpod as an add-on so the students can write their responses in Nearpod if you choose to teach this lesson asynchronously. So thank you for watching this video. I look forward to showing you more about this grade 4 week 1 day 1 lesson.